How to make or add stickers on Discord mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can make or add stickers on Discord mobile. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to make or add stickers on Discord mobile, you can't do it on the application. What you'll have to do is you'll have to head into your browser and head into discord.com/channels, or you want to head into Discord web and log into your account. Now once here, what you can do is you can head into a particular server, right? So once you're on the server, you can tap on the server there, the drop down option beside the server, and you can see the server settings option. You're gonna tap on server settings option. Once you're on the server settings option, if I'll just zoom in here, you should be able to see the stickers option. Tap on stickers right there. On here under stickers, you can see the upload stickers option. You can see slots available. You can tap on upload stickers, and then you can create a cutout from your gallery and then add in details here, necessary editing that you need. You can select a picture, add in sticker name, description, and you can upload it. So this is how you can make stickers on Discord mobile. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.